Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Joe and this is a quick review on this inflatable sprinkler pool. In the box we get the inflatable pool itself. As well as a hose adapter which you can use in case your water hose does not have the screwable connector. A couple of patches are inside this little bag, so make sure you don't throw them away. Inflating the pool is as straightforward as you can imagine. The box recommends using an electric pump, though I was able to inflate it rather quickly by using a small manual pump made by Intex. Once inflated, you just connect the water hose and you're set to go. The purpose of connecting the water hose is so that the water will sprinkle out of the dragon's nose and through several tiny holes located around the pool. I quickly learned that you only need a very small amount of water pressure for the best results. It took my baby girl no more than a couple of minutes to embrace the pool and enjoy it. The sprinkler is not only fun for my child, it also serves as a quick and easy way to fill the pool with water. Some reviewers mentioned that the dragon scared their children. However, as you can see, my baby girl became friends with it right away. My guess is that it will be a coin toss whether your child likes it or not. This pool is rated for children ages 3 years and older, and the description claims it is appropriate for 2 to 3 kids. In my opinion though, judging by how much space my 13-month-old baby girl takes playing in it, I would say that it's more suitable for no more than 2 children under 3 years of age and just 1 child 3 years and older. There's really not much negative I can think about this pool. Maybe that the size is not as big as I would have expected. However, the materials, the looks of it, I'm pretty happy with it. My little girl is extremely happy with this pool, and as such, I am extremely satisfied with my purchase. Highly recommended.